Well, got through defoliating over in the valley, and now I'm about to head to Blackwell's Bend and spray the beans. But first I gotta fill up with diesel, and then I gotta make a very important pit stop on the way by Hancock's restaurant. They have the best barbecue in Selma. I'll show y'all whenever I pick it up. But let's fill up the diesel. That's our diesel tank. I am about to go over the historical Edmund Pettus Bridge in Selma, and as you can see, when I go under it, I only have 6 inches of clearance from the top of my roof, and yes, we do go straight through downtown Selma. It's just a lot quicker, but it's kind of hectic. But this is the Edmund Pettus Bridge going over the Alabama River into Selma. We made it to Hancock's. Well, there it is. Chicken fingers and fries, 2 slices of bread, and a sweet tea, ketchup. But that is from Hancock's, and it looks delicious. Whew. I need a nap after eating all that food. I'm gonna show you out here the soybeans, why I'm having to spray them. As you can see, Dad has cut some of the field, and what he left was beans that, as you'll see right here, it's got a lot of green leaves and the stems are still green. But all these green stems right here and these leaves, when you're cutting them with the combine, they don't go through the concave very good. They form like a layer, kind of like a mat on the bottom of the concave in the combine, and won't allow the beans to fall through the concave where it can go through the sieves and go in your tank. So basically your concave will have a green mesh of this leaves and stems on the bottom. There's nowhere for the beans to go, so you'll be what we call walking them out the back, and that means they're going right out the back of the combine and right on the ground, and that is not the goal be back in my rogator with guidance. Got through with the beans. Alright, made it to the shop with the rogator, and I'm gonna run over here for a second and go look at the beans Dad's cutting. I hadn't been over there and watched him and seen how good the beans are, so I got just a little bit of time. I'm gonna run over there and check on him, and may throw my drone up, and maybe the last time I get some video of the combine and the beans, because everything's coming to the end in the beans real quick. So run over here and do that, and then I'm gonna come back here and meet PA and get to work on my cotton picker. Well, the beans are cutting good, as you can see. Dad's out there kicking up dust, but they're good beans. It's on some wet ground, so in places they're not so great, but overall they're good beans. And I was glad to see my combine again. I hadn't seen my combine in a while.